This week for developers. A clarification of database isolation and what engines provide. A snapshot test pattern for MySQL 8.4 migrations. A Kyverno image tag pitfall that can block replica set pod recreation. And a measured study across 5,388 repositories. A deep post maps 6 anomalies against 5 isolation levels. It explains MVCC, snapshot isolation's frozen snapshot, and first committer wins rule. Many engines label repeatable read or serializable but deliver snapshot isolation, which can allow write skew unless the engine enforces serializability via strict locks or SSI. RDS Blue-Green provisions a green replica on MySQL 8.4 and sets it read-only by default to protect replication. Take a snapshot of green, restore a writable test instance, validate each project, then trigger the blue-green switchover once validated. MVCC stores time-stamped row versions so readers don't block writers. Snapshot isolation gives a frozen transaction view and first committer wins, which can allow write skew. Serializable enforcement is either strict two-phase locking with range locks, or SSI that detects dependency cycles and aborts one transaction. If invariants span multiple rows, do not assume repeatable read or a declared serializable level protects you. Postgres repeatable read can behave like snapshot isolation, letting write skew through. For MySQL 8.4 upgrades, restore a snapshot and test auth changes like the new default caching SHA2 password plugin. The study scanned 5,388 public repositories and 444,225 merged pull requests. The median repo showed no review time penalty for agent commits, but 25% did. Language level differences were observed. PHP internals also closed the 8.6 RFC cycle in August 2026. Try these tools. InfraCanvas provides a live map of VMs and clusters and connects via kubeconfig or a small relay. Pontmore merged PR number 12 on August 11, 2026, and produced a standalone escrow proof of concept. Plan for these limits. Kyverno evaluates create and update only, so replica set replacements can be denied. MCP C# SDK 2.0 prefers protocol 2026-07-28 but falls back. Pinning needs a tested failure path. gRPC over a Unix socket helped an Edge project ingest 10,000 samples per second in 1,000 frame batches, but the socket is host local and requires TCP and MTLS if you later distribute processing. Treat protocol and isolation as application contracts. Validate engine upgrades with writable snapshot restores before a blue-green cutover. Pin and observe protocol versions and test failure paths. Run image tag validation in CI and pin digest in production. Measure your own repo's review tags first. All sources are in the description. Read the original posts for full technical detail and follow the links to datasets and proofs of concept.